Got a new install video today, and we're gonna install a magnetic charger or connection to the trickle charger. This is my trickle charger, and this is the new connections. These are magnetic, so when you pull up in the garage like so, you just connect the magnet, one end of the magnet that comes from the battery. This is the battery side. I'm gonna figure out where to put it, somewhere in here. Connect it with the one that connects to the trickle charger and your charge. So just in case you drive off and forgot to disconnect, it will just disconnect because it's a magnet. No harm, no foul. I used to have this in my boat, a little different setup, but didn't have magnets, but it's awesome. So we're gonna connect it. Again, links in the description for all these items so that you can figure out yourself, because this battery, when they sit around, they don't like to not have a charge. And if it's a weekend car like this, you need to make sure it's charged if it's sitting around for a week or so in this garage, right? So let's get to it. I'll show you the where I routed all this and get it done. All right, the two magnet ends are connected and it's charging, so you can see it's charging. All right, so now all I have to do is figure out how to tuck in these wires so they're not all over the place. That's how it's connected to the battery. Red in the positive, black in the negative, and I think I'm just gonna route it here, out here. There's a gap in the grommet in here, right there. I'm just gonna route it. I'm gonna put it outside and pack it into the weather stripping because this engine is hot. You don't want to cross it on the engine because that engine is hot. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck it in. I'll show you the finished product, but as you can see, it is charging on this magnets right here, right? So all you do is disconnect. There's self-aligning magnets. It'll just pop off like so. Hard to do. There you go. And then when you want to charge them, connect just like that. All right. See, it even tells me it's got disconnected. Now it's connected again. All right. That's how you do it. Easy peasy. So that's where I decided to put the wires, just above the heat shield, and hopefully that doesn't melt. As you can see, that's above the heat shield, so it's still protected. And then I just slice the grommet over there to let it come in, and I'm gonna stick it in that rubber piece. Comes with a 3M tape. So that's how it's going to be wired in. Now you know. All right, here it is, installed, tucked in. The hood is closed. You cannot see any wiring, and you see there's a green light in there because these things are fused. So pretty easy now. And the wires, it's right hanging here. As you can see, it's charging. So now, even if I'm in a hurry and just drive off, that will just disconnect because it's just a magnet when I drive off, right? So yeah, and I can easily see it. There you go. All of these things are going to be linked in the description below, so you can buy it for yourself. I'm not sponsored by this product, but I earn a small commission when you buy it from Amazon. It helps the channel. Alrighty. Hopefully this is a useful video for you guys to simplify trickle charging your cars. Convenient way of doing it. That's how it goes. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.